No matter how fast a snake strikes, a cat almost always manages to escape. But how? The reason lies in the cat's lightning-fast reflexes, clearly visible in this video. Here, the snake comes right up to the cat's face, yet instead of backing away, the cat fearlessly stares it down. The moment the snake attacks, the cat pulls back and even lands a slap, all in a split second. Scientifically, a snake's reaction time ranges between 44 to 70 milliseconds, while a cat reacts in just 20 to 70 milliseconds. This faster response time gives the cat a clear advantage.